Today is April 5. Nambas rin kami last night para kumain sa Family Mart at nakabili nga ako ng mga supplies ko. Para every time na nagutom ako, I don't need to go out para bumili ng food. So let's have breakfast. It's officially my first day here in Ho Chi Minh, but technically, second day na siya since I arrived last night. Tapos na rin ako mag-prepare. Let's check. Wow, this is our feet. I got this bag from Hong Kong. This coat naman from Zara. Shorts is from TikTok Shop. Shoes is from Urban Revivo. Tank top, conceal. Yun lang yung fit natin for today. Nandiyan na yung grab namin. Sa bookstore. As a bookworm kami ngayon. I'm currently looking for a bag kasi super dami kong dala and hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos. Hanap ako ng medyo versatile na bag na medyo chunky. Hindi talaga bagay sa akin yung mga small bags. So, currently looking for a big bag that can fit yung mga things ko. So we're here sa table. Check natin if meron silang bag here. This is so cute. Parang I wanted to buy this na.
We have stock of this.
Dito na lang. Kulang pa siya. Okay, pwede naman natin ask. Excuse me. Can I flag this? We're going to Sephora to check some skincare products. I'll try na lang itong handle na ako. Hyaluronic acid siya. Good to for pimple marks and dark spots. Makeup remover. We're here at Pulo, French roast chicken. Table for 7. 7.
Heartburn. Oo nga.
Ano naman yung top na ito? And I'm sorry if hindi masyadong marinig yung audio ko. Maingay and nakalimutan ko yung microphone sa Airbnb. Wala tayong choice. Naglalakad tayo ngayon. 10 AM pa pala sila nagbubukas and it's 9:30 pa lang. Hanap muna ako ng coffee shop nearby para at least makakain din muna ako. So I ordered a caramel croissant plus basho. This is their version of Spanish latte. Kapit na tayo ng English. Masarap naman yung mga na-order ko. Yun siya. Meron nga pala siyang cafe din. So pwede kayong mag-dine in here. Plus 10 AM kasi nagbubukas yung shop nila. Look at this. Meron ako nakitang bag dito. So cute to. Parang wala naman ako malalagay, parang card lang. Pero at least, it's fashionable. Hindi ko lang gusto yung strap kasi medyo manipis siya. Even this one, I wanted to get a white bag. Pero yun nga, manipis rin yung hair. See? And it's so cute. This is the shoes from Boa Studios. Do you accept card?
Yes.
All Convo card. Thank you. Yeah! Pagpilin na natin yung shoes. Oh my God. Sobrang pawis ko na parang nakukulas na ako. Ang aga-aga pa. Kasi legit na run for your life dito sa Vietnam kapag tatawid ka ng pedestrian. Parang wala silang masyadong care sa mga taong tumatawid. Come on! Back shoe.
This is matcha latte.
Sarap na matcha nila dito. Ganda nga ng ice nila yun. Papa, ang babi.
Nice, edgy. Thank you.
เดี๋ยวส่งให้
Sobrang daming kalat. Hello, tumawid na sila.
Hindi pwede, babe. Kamusta? Uy, babe.
Agad na. Let's go! Go, 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 go!
Kaya mura yung grab nila.
We're on our way to outfit. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, pero pilihan siya ng mga bags here sa cycle.
Guys, nasa Chow Fifth tayo.
Can I get a stack of this one?
Yes. Be careful with the wires or leather.
So I love na meron silang babala hair. Ingatan kapag wet. Ito na siya! Yes! So the total of this bag is around 1.3. Pag convert siya in peso, less than 3K siya, mga 3.8 something again.
Ayusin nyo to. Pero ibang part ng bed.
So this is what I got. This is the Monte Cristo sandwich. Plus, kalimutan ko kung ano to. Ayun na lang. Thank you. Tutuloy ko na lang tumakbo kasi wala pa sila. Tapos ko rin yung 5km. 8km pa lang kasi. Medyo nakakatakot na itong part. But, laban. So, it's our 5th day here in Saigon and these are all the things na na-shop ko here sa Vietnam. So, I have books, dito skincare, and then capto, bag, cap, bag, and then tank top, shoes, and then this one is a maxi skirt plus the Japan style na pants. I'm back here sa the new playground to shop for more. I think I'm gonna get this one. Simple. Tapos meron rin siyang details sa likod.
It's a home thing.
Yeah, can you get the lunch? And then do you accept cards?
Alright.
I'm gonna make my own bowl. Sure. You have two choices. You can create your own bowl or you can just order their signature bowl. Kung meron na silang mga pre-picked bowls, eh, medyo hindi ka makapag-decide, di ba? So, ito yung nabuo ko. Here na sa Bookstreet. Hanapin ko lang sila Mika. Ayun. Kita ko na. Oh, don't find ko si pala here sa Bookstreet. Nasa Bookworm. Super dami ng libro, guys. Actually, it's near lang dun sa accommodation namin. Ayaw ko na mag-cut kasi baka wala ng araw and gusto ko mag-picture. Currently looking for a self-help book. Kasi hindi tayo naging successful dun sa last na bookstore na pinagawa natin. This is the book that I'm looking for, The Ikigai Journey. Ito yung binabasa ko last time dun sa book cafe na pinuntahan ko. I'll pay by a card. Exactly. Okay. So we're done buying some books here. And meron daw tayong 20% off kapag bumili tayo dun sa may book cafe nila. Kasi parang sister company ata nila.
Isip ko nga kung hindi may mas makapit na topic. Tapos sobrang laki.
Second door? Okay.
Where do you guys want? Inside or outside? Inside. Come on.
Again. So, ano ba yung naman tadi sushi? No.
How much is it? 1 minute for 15. This one is yung 40 na. Kasi para siyang BBC.
You can choose rin pala if kukunin mo yung signature, yung zodiac sign, codes, or kung ano man gusto mo sa buhay. Balo ka na.
udon carbonara.
Ito yung favorite milk tea ko nung nag-Taiwan ako. And matatry natin siya here sa Vietnam. Oh my God, namiss ko yung Taiwan because of this milk tea. This is the brown sugar pearl milk tea of Sing Putang. And natikman ko to nung nasa Taiwan ako last 2 months ago. Kamusta?
Sarap, guys. Thanks for the recommendation, Bobby.
Is there a train station that I can ride going to the Bataan Market? Siguro ako sa mga friends ko kasi mag-grab sila. And I wanted to try yung MRT nila here sa Vietnam. So, papunta ako sa It's Station mag-isa. And ito kasi yung mga fantasy ko, yung maglibot, ganyan, mag-explore ng city. And mas na-enjoy ko kasi siya kapag nakasakay rin ng MRT para at least sightseeing lang, ganyan. Hello. 2 Benton Station. 1 only. Yep.
So, we're currently here sa Angkor. And then, 6 stations lang para makapunta dito.
This is what we ordered. Let's see right now.
Dạ phụ sa SE51 phụ gạo 5 kg giá 98 đồng.
Oh my god, they also have steak sauce here. I'm gonna get this one.
What is this?